When we perform closed skills, we usually follow a standard set of procedures in a predictable situation. There is one best way to perform a closed skill, like checking in a hotel guest or filling out an accident report. Closed skills are best developed through near transfer, when the training situation and the work situation are similar, and when trainees are expected to apply what they learn on the job exactly as it was learned in training. For example, accountants may learn a new rule in training and then apply that same rule in the same way to a similar problem at work. This would be near transfer and the use of a closed skill. When teaching learners a closed skill, try some of these strategies. Provide them with standardized procedures, step-by-step instructions, and detailed checklists that they can use during training and after training when they return to work. Emphasize important differences between the training environment, the training task, and the work environment, the work task. By highlighting the differences, you can make those differences more memorable and help trainees prepare for the differences after training. Give them opportunities to practice what they learn in situations that mimic the real job situation as closely as possible. Now, sometimes it isn't practical to make the two situations, the two environments identical, but we need to try as best as we can. Explain why the procedures should be followed exactly as they were presented, and then persuade trainees that complying with these procedures is essential. And don't forget to reward them for complying and following the instructions as they were taught.